Hello there, good morning. My name is Zulu. I'm here to read through the companion class lesson, and I would love to welcome each and everyone even as we begin. I'll give the requirements for the companion class and also other things that may be necessary even as we do our lessons online. We continue to urge you to keep safe and stay home. So let's run through the general requirements for this class companion. The first thing is, for you to be in this class, you have to be 11 years old, or you have to be in grade 6 or the equivalent of grade 6. That is the first requirement. Number 2, you have to be an active member of the Pathfinder Club at Chainama Seventh-day Adventist Church. That's the second requirement. Number 3, learn or review the meaning of the Pathfinder pledge and illustrate its meaning in an interesting way. So the Pathfinder pledge, you need to know it so well, and you have to illustrate its meaning. So you have to know the pledge itself and what it means. That's the third requirement. The fourth requirement is you need to read the book, The Happy Path, or similar book on the pledge and law if not previously read. So the Pathfinder law and the Pathfinder pledge, any book that mentions about these two things, or you may opt to go for the Pathfinder, the book Happy Path. You need to develop a devotional life by studying the weekly devotional guide. So we shall be frequently updating every day on our weekly devotional guide. So keep on following the page, and we'll guide you on the devotional guide. And there are certain questions that you need to get acquainted to, which you need to answer at the end of it all. You need to learn what you have learned from God, and what you have learned about yourself, and also how you can apply it in your daily life. Those are some of the general requirements for the companion class. And what is expected of us here is I urge all the companions to have the pen and the book, pencil or whatever you use, even as we will be having our lessons, so that you may be jotting down whatever necessary thing is said here and have it stuck to memory. And soon we'll get into our first lesson, which will be based on spiritual discovery. That will be our first lesson. We'll get into it shortly, and then going forward we'll look at other lessons, starting from serving others. When we talk about serving others, we are basically saying community service. As Pathfinders and those in companion class, we have to be relevant to our society. We have to be, our Christianity must be felt by the people that are surrounding us. So therefore, we'll be looking at serving others. Then we'll also look at friendship development. Remember, companion means a friend in simple terms. So we will look at how we are going to strengthen each other, how we are going to bond even as companions in our class. There will be health and fitness lessons. So we have to keep health. We have to be fit. You know, in the Pathfinder law, it says, aside from other things, you have to be fit for God. So we'll look at those things, and we'll teach you how to be leaders. Organization and leadership development, we'll look at that also in future. Other things are nature study, outdoor life, lifestyle enrichment. So there are many things that are outlined for us as companions, and therefore I would love to encourage each and everyone to keep on following, even as we'll be having these lessons. We'll be sharing the daily devotions every day. So shall we be glued? Very soon we'll be getting into our next lesson. In the next 5 minutes we'll look at spiritual development. So stay switched on. Thank you. That was the first session.